I'm Paul Bennett at Downeast Creations in the town of Millbridge along the Gold Coast of Maine. This week I built this 3-foot wide cabinet. This goes right on top of the mobile base I did last week, and it'll be part of the new miter box saw station that I'm designing. I'm kind of designing it as I go along. And so, but all of these cabinets and all the parts that I'm making, these are standalone videos. I'm not grouping them as part 1, part 2, part 3, even though they are. I'm not putting that in the title because these can be, you could just build this cabinet by itself if you wanted to. The base could be used for putting machinery on it and moving it around. This could be put on casters. You could put, this could be a worktop. You could just use this by itself with a piece of machinery on it, like a sander or something. So, but this is now mounted on my mobile base. I'm going to get on with the video, show you how I built it. I use cheap plywood, so everything is warped, bent, twisted, and I had to pull it all straight. And that's the reason for these stretches in the front. I wasn't going to use them. I'm putting in drawers, and if I had straight plywood I really wouldn't have to do that, but that helps keep everything straight. And this is almost square, even in spite of all those bends and twists. I was able to use a few tricks and pull it all in, and I got to the point where I'm only about maybe 3/32 out of square, and I'm willing to live with it. So I'm going to just roll the video and you can see how I built it. And if you like free plans, always free, never a fee, just look in the video description below and there's a link where you can download the plans in a free PDF format. And so please do all the happy YouTube stuff. Please subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate it, and thanks for watching. One of the problems I have here is that I'm using some really cheap plywood that came from the big orange box store, home center, and it's all, it's all bent and twisted, almost like some of the KD studs you get these days. And it's a pine. It's supposed to be cabinet grade. It's sort of a pine plywood that was made in Peru. And it's like $36 a sheet. It used to be 30 bucks a sheet, but like everything, all the building, all the materials prices have been going up. But it's just all warped and twisted. So that's why you see all these different braces and clamps. I'm trying to hold this base sheet down flat. And this is also bent. I'm going to have to pull that straight while I get these Craig screws in. So using the cheap stuff, it causes a lot of extra time and work. So that's the price you pay. You either pay more money and get a better material and take less time, or it's going to cost you more time and less money. Either way.